Are you yourself satisfied with the response of the BSP?
Well, I think the BSP has done a great job, especially with the currency volatility.
Yeah.
I think they were quick enough to manage where the currency is. If we were to compare, at worst, we were at around 4.5% depreciation, probably compared to an Indonesia or an India that has depreciated by 11 to 13%. I think the BSP has done its job. I think the only thing really is the challenge as as the BSP tries to weigh in inflation containment and slower growth. I think from the BSP side, a combination, again, and this is what the government and the BSP has done. In the past, we have a little bit of inflation containment on monetary policy, but we saw more heavy lifting on the part of government in trying to mitigate the impact of inflation. So whether they're into subsidies, adjustment of tariffs, so we need to be able to again move faster at this point in time.